I'm Mungo Dark Matter, and welcome to Dark Matters. Today on Dark Matters we're going to talk about cool iPhone apps. And the cool app today is called Shopping List by Hensoft. Now I'm going to be reviewing the full version. There's actually a free version as well which has a few less features to it. But it's only a couple bucks for the full version, and it seems well worth it to me thus far. Although you can download the free version if you want and try it out to see if you like it. Alright, I'm going to go to Shopping List right now, and we don't currently have any shopping lists listed. I'm going to start out by creating a quick list, and it's fairly easy to start out. Right down here in the bottom corner, if I tap on that icon, I can add an item to the list. So I'm going to tap on that icon, and I'm going to type in an item. It's going to be coffee. Now, in the center here, I can put what quantity I want. In the free version, you only have a couple of choices, but in this pay version, we can scroll over and pick what we want. And I'm gonna go with the package, and I'm gonna put that I want 2. Alright, now the next thing down here in the bottom is categories, and I can tap on categories, and I can go down and select let's select drinks for this one. Now the categories are so you can organize things by aisles, so it makes it more efficient when you're shopping. So if you go down the drink aisle, you'll get all your drinks together. In my shopping center or my grocery store, coffee and tea are in a separate aisle from like soft drinks, and so that might not be the most efficient way to group this, but for this demonstration I'm going to put it under drinks. All I have to do is tap up here at the top to add item, and you'll see over here to the left it says shopping list. There's one item in the list. I'm going to tap on that so we can go back and see, and you'll see that it says coffee and it's under drinks, and so that's the first item on my list. I'm going to go back and I'm going to add a couple more items. I'm going to click here, tap here on Lady Grey Tea, which was already on my list, and the amount from the last time I did a shopping list will be here automatically, and it just says 1. I can put more if I want to, or change that. And the category is already selected. So I'm going to keep that as it is, and then I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to put another item in. Which will be cream. I'll get 1 quart of cream for the amount. And then cream should be under dairy. So I'm going to put it under dairy and add item. Alright, so you can see you can add multiple items onto the list, as many as you like, in as many different categories. If you tap here under category, it will give you a choice to add categories if you want to. Add special categories or aisles. You could actually, literally, if you wanted to, instead of writing a category name, you could put the aisle number if you knew it in your grocery store. But it's easier just to group them in areas where you think they'll be close to each other. And that will reduce the amount that you have to walk back because like when you manually make a shopping list on a piece of paper, you add things in different order, and you might not have them really grouped together unless you rewrite the list. I'm going to hit check, get off of that. I'm going to go back to our main list, and I forgot to add Lady Grey. We'll go back, Lady Grey tea, make sure I click on item, then go back to the shopping list. Alright, so now you'll see it's separated by dairy and drinks right now, and we could have other categories on that as well. Now up at the top here, at the very top left, is a button called Lists. If I pop on that, I can make separate shopping lists for different stores, which is a nice feature to that as well. Shopping List is a very nice shopping list application by Hensoft, and you can find it by going to the App Store and doing a search on shopping list and looking for the shopping list by Hensoft, and it should be one of the first lists that come up. It's a very popular application. You can either get the free version or pay for the full version. I recommend getting the free version first and trying it out to see if you like it always. You can also compare it to other shopping list programs if you like, because there's a lot of shopping list applications. As with a lot of apps on the App Store, if the application is very popular, there may be lots of different versions and lots of different people trying to make the application and trying to sell it or give it away. I'm Mungo Dark Matter, and this has been Dark Matters, and whatever you do, enjoy using your iPhone.